Hi guys. I hope you can hear me because the waves are a little bit loud, but we're at the beach today. We're at the beach. It's currently like 7 o'clock and I got off from work and I was like, why not go to the beach? Let's go to the beach, beach.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's Carmen and I. We're having like some girls time, girls day. Oh, there's a helicopter. Anyway, we're having some girl time. We're just sitting on. Carmen, what the heck?
Oh. I'm gonna get it.
She's gonna get her trash. Anyway, we got Subway because I'm on my health journey and I wanted something quick and not have to cook anything tonight. Plus, I wanted to hurry up and come to the beach. So we got a sandwich from Subway. So yeah, we're pretty much just gonna chill here. And you guys are gonna come hang out with us at the beach. What's wrong with you?
I'm cold.
Guys, it is kind of chilly out here, and Carmen.
No, it's cold. It's cold.
Carmen's making it such a big deal, bro.
It's cold.
Like she don't even have her bathing suit out. Like she is still wrapped up, and she is. I'm living my life. Living my life like it's golden. Living my life like it's golden.
Even though it's nowhere near golden. I got a booger on my
Carmen, shut up. That's disgusting.
Just take it out. That's what moms do.
I'm not your mama.
It doesn't matter. You're gonna be a mom one day, right?
Yeah, but I'm not your mom.
Okay,
I'm not taking out yours.
It's time to start actually doing. So
Yours?
go ahead, get your finger.
No, you're literally grown, Carmen.
I'm
You're
not.
okay.
I'm 13.
Don't even lie. Anyway, y'all, we just had our meal. It was so good. It was so good. I went over there.
So wrong.
There you go, talking about the sand again. I went over there and I got into the water, and if she's freaking acting insane about the sand being cold, that water is freezing. Go get in that water. Get in that water. Go get in that water. Girl, bye. It's really fun though. I'm cold, but I'm not.
I need a hoodie.
Anyway. Carmen says that she's about to start crying because it's so cold. It's not that cold.
I'm finally warm. I feel so free. What if I put?
Oh guys, do you like my new bathing suit? I got it from Walmart. It's all like sparkly.
He gets it from Walmart instead of Sephora.
They gonna comment dumb.
Yeah. This is what I call TJ without.
Carmen, I'm not putting that.
He's not even gonna watch it.
What? Yes, you will.
And if he does, this is AI.
Y'all, I swear this is what life is like. This is life.
Wait, can I get a portrait of him?
Okay.